Hi dears, this is your English ma'am speaking. Today we're going to see activities in companion as well as in studio. Okay, shall we start our class? What is our lesson name? The Web of Life. Okay dears, come on, we will start our class. Okay, take your studio, page number 30. Take your studio, open page number 30. See what is there? Think time. Yesterday's class, we did one activity, right? What we did? Yes. So in that activity, did you join any other friends to do the activity? If yes, you can circle anyone. If yes, you can circle any one answer. That is, let one another talk, listened to one another, asked questions, made eye contact. If you did the activity with a team, you can circle any one activity here, any one answer here. Or else if you did by yourself, no need to circle any of these answers. Okay dears? Okay, we will start our today's class. What is the next activity given here? Think back activity. What activity? Think back activity. Yes, we're going to recall or describing words. What is meant by describing words? I already told you that describing words is nothing but describing naming words. Describing naming words. Do you remember naming words? Yes, naming words means name of the place, name of people, name of animal, name of thing are called as naming words. Naming words is also known as nouns. Very good. Okay, here describing words is also called as adjectives. Very good, yes. Okay, today see here 2.7. Keep your finger on the lines. Write at least two describing words for each of these pictures. Frame one sentence for each. So what you have to do, they gave instructions. See here, write at least two describing words for each of these pictures. So first one they gave tiger. What you have to do is you have to write two describing words for tiger. So what will you write? See, ma'am gave one answer. Let us see what is that. Okay, tiger is a large animal and tiger is a wild animal, right? So I described tiger as large, wild. Like this, you can also describe using your own describing words. You have to describe this tiger with two describing words. You can use this also, but you can also use your creative answer. You can also give your own creative answer. Okay dears? Okay, shall we create one sentence for this picture? Yes, a tiger is a large animal. So how the tiger will be? Tiger will be large. So we can create sentence using this describing word large. How we will create? A tiger is a large animal. Likewise, you have to create a sentence using the describing word. Already you will describe here, right? The same describing word. Using the same describing word, you have to create a sentence by your own. You can get help from your parents also, and from this video also you can get help. Okay dears? Okay, next, what is this picture? What is this picture? Flower. Okay, so what is here? See here, this picture is flower. And how it looks? Pretty. Instead of pretty, you can also use beautiful, lovely. Like that, you can also use describing words. But you have to use two describing words in the sentence. Okay, shall we create a sentence now? That is a pretty flower. That is a beautiful flower. That is a lovely flower. You can create sentence like that. Okay, no need to write answer now. After completing our class, you can start writing. Okay, you can write your creative answer. You can give your own creative answers. Okay, dears? Okay, ma. What is the next picture given here? What is this? How it looks like? Okay. See, it is a mountain. It is a mountain. How it looks like? It looks like high, high or low? High. Okay, dears. So, mountain looks high, right? Shall we create a sentence now? The mountain is high. The mountain is high. You can write the same answer or else you can use your creative answers here. Okay, ma? Okay. Have you all clear with this activity? Do you have any doubts? You just recall the video. Okay, ma? Okay. Shall we go to next slide? Yes. See here, take next page, page number 31. Page number 31. This is what activity? Look deep activity. What activity? Look deep activity. Okay, shall we read this paragraph? Okay, say after me. King Bruce and the spider became friends. King Bruce and the spider became friends. King Bruce and the spider decided to stay in the cave. King Bruce told the spider, "Listen to King Bruce. King Bruce is your friend now. King Bruce is also your king." They met many animals in the forest. They narrated their story to the animals. So this is the paragraph they gave for us to read. So what is the question they gave for us? See here, keep your finger on the line. How many times is King Bruce used in this paragraph? So count it. See, ma'am wrote 6. Shall we check now whether the answer 6 is correct or wrong? Yes. Count King Bruce 1, King Bruce 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Correct answer or not? Am I correct or wrong? Correct. Okay, dears. Now read the same paragraph. Again, they gave the same paragraph in a different manner. Shall we read? Read after me. King Bruce and the spider became friends. They decided to stay in the cave. King Bruce told the spider, "Listen to me. I am your friend now. I am also your king." They met many animals in the forest. They narrated their story to them. Listen, in this paragraph, how many times is King Bruce used here? 1, 2. So am I right or not? Right, very good. Now see here, next activity. Read these sentences. See here, first one. King Bruce and the spider decided to stay in the cave. King Bruce and the spider decided to stay in the cave. This is the first sentence they gave. See here, instead of King Bruce and the spider. So King Bruce and the spider is 1 or 2? King Bruce is 1 and spider is 1. So 1, 1, 2. So there are 2, 2, one is person and one is insect. Two things we have now. So how will you write King Bruce and the spider? Instead of writing King Bruce and the spider, you can use they. You can use they. You can use they. They decided to stay in the cave. They is used in the place of King Bruce and the spider. So where they is used, they used in the place of King Bruce and the spider. Instead of writing King Bruce and the spider, you can use a short word they. You can use the short word they. Okay. Listen to King Bruce. King Bruce is your friend now. King Bruce is also your king. See here how many times the King Bruce is repeated here. 1, 2, 3. 3 times the King Bruce was repeated. For writing again and again the same name King Bruce, what shall we do? Listen to me. So King Bruce is saying, listen to me. Instead of writing King Bruce again, you can use I. I am your friend now. I am also your king. So me and I are used in the place of King Bruce. So me and I are used in the place of King Bruce. Instead of King Bruce, they wrote me and I. Okay, dears? Okay, listen. Turn the page. See here, they narrated their story to the animals. They narrated their story to the animals. Instead of animals, what they changed here? Them. Instead of animals, what they changed? Them. Them is used in the place of animals. Them is used in the place of animals. Okay, you just keep in your memory. I will explain you in the upcoming slide. Okay, dears? Okay. Observe the words. You just observe the words I, they, me, and them. I, they, me, and them. These words are used in the place of naming words in the sentence. So, these words are used in the place of naming words. Yes or no? Yes, such words are pronouns. Such words are pronouns. Listen here. If I explain these sentences, you can get clear explanation. Okay, dears? Okay, listen. Pronouns. Today we're going to see pronouns. Say after me, pronouns. Pronouns helps us to not repeat the same words many times. So how pronouns helps us? Pronouns helps us to not repeat the same words. For example, dog. Shall we take dog? Dog is a faithful animal. Okay, dog is a faithful animal. Then another sentence, if you want to create, how will you create? It helps us to watch our home. It helps us to watch our home. So instead of it, again if you use dog, what is happening in the sentence? You repeating the same word dog, dog, dog many times. So instead of repeating the same naming word, you can use pronoun it. Okay, dears, if I explain these sentences, you can able to get clear explanation. Pronouns helps us to not repeat the same words many times. They help keep a sentence short. So they help keep a sentence short. Pronoun help keep a sentence short. This makes reading easier. Pronouns helps us to make reading easier. So, okay, here are some list of common pronouns. Shall we see what are all the common pronouns? Say after me. I, you, he, she, it, you, they, we. Shall we read again? I, you, he, she, it, you, they, we. So all these words are common pronouns. All these words are common pronouns. Common pronouns. Okay. Next slide. See here. I will explain you another one time. Pronoun. Pronoun means a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So in the place of noun we can use pronoun. In the place of noun we can use pronoun. Understand? In the place of noun we can use pronoun. Noun means you already know naming words. Okay, dears. Next. See here, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. All these are common pronouns. Okay, listen here. I, me, my. So you can use I as me as my. Okay, here if the person if the person is girl, what you will use? She. If the person is boy, what you will use? He. Okay, she, you can also use her, you can also use hers. He means you can also use him, You can also use his. So while using these words, according to the sentence, you will use these words. Okay, ma? According to the sentence, you will change these words. Okay, here, they, we, us, are, them. They, we, us, are, them. Okay, here, boy. For a boy, what are all the words you will use? He, him, his, himself. For a girl, what are all the words you will use? She, her, hers, herself. For an animal or an object, what are all the words you will use? You will not use he or she. Instead, what you will use? It, its, itself. For a group, what you will use? They, them, theirs, themselves. They, them, theirs, themselves. Okay, shall we move to next slide? Okay, now I'm going to explain you what is meant by singular and plural pronouns. Singular and plural pronouns. See here, I already told you pronouns means take the place of noun. We can use pronouns in the place of noun. Okay, here are singular and plural pronoun. Singular pronouns are I, me, she, him, he, him, her. These are singular pronoun. Plural pronoun means they, them, we, us. Only one we will use singular. More than one we will use plural. Okay, plural forms. Okay, shall we read again? Singular pronouns I, me, she, he, him, her. Plural pronouns they, them, we, us. If you see this picture, you can able to get clear identification. See here, I means only one boy. Me means also only one. You means also only one. He means also only one. Him means also one. She and her means also one. But we means we, us. We, us means more than one. They, them also more than one. It means for animals and object we will use the word it. Understand? Have you all understand? Yes, very good. Shall we move to the next slide? Okay, dears. See here, take studio, page number 33. See here, me, singular. You, singular. Us, plural. You, plural. So, if there are more than one persons also, what we will say? You. Like that we will mention. So, you is comes under singular as well as in plural. Okay, ma? Then him, singular. Her, singular. It, singular. Them means plural. We will not say one person as them. A group of people only we will say them. Okay? Okay, listen here. Using pronouns in sentences. So read after me. My name is Ankur. My name is Ankur. Okay. Again, Ankur in class 2. Ankur in class 2. Is there Ankur here? No. Instead of Ankur, what they wrote here? I, because Ankur is saying about himself. My name is Ankur. I am in class 2. Used in place of Ankur. So, I am used in the place of Ankur. Gayatri is a dancer. Gayatri is girl or boy? Girl. So, if girl means what we have to use? She. Gayatri is a dancer. She is very good. So used in place of Gayatri. The next sentence, that is Nitin's pen. Give it to him. Why we used him here? Because Nitin is a boy. So we used him. Okay. Used in place of Nitin. My friends are here. My friends are here. Here friends is singular or plural? They use the yes here. So singular or plural? Plural. Very good. I love to play with them. Why we used them here? Because it is friends is a plural. So more than one person we use them. Group of persons we use them. So in the place of friends we used them. Next sentence. My cat's name is Puddy. My cat's name is Puddy. Here cat. So for animal and object what we will use? It. It is very friendly. You should not repeat the name of a name. You should not repeat the naming word again and again in the continuing sentences. Instead of that only we will use I, she, him, them, it pronouns. Okay ma? Okay, listen. Have you all understand? Hope you all understood. Okay, listen. Try this. Next activity, try this. Your teacher will read out a list. For each naming word in the list, write at least one thing that you like or do not like. Work with your partner. Ask questions about something on your partner's list. For example, see, one example is given for you. If you and your brother are there, you can ask questions to your brother, or you and your mother means you can ask questions to your mother, or father means you can ask questions to your father. But you should not do this activity by yourself. You can get help from your parents. If you get help from your parents means only you can ask question to them, and they will give answer for your questions. See here, do you like cats? From the given list you ask your friend, do you like cats? For that your partner is answering that, yes, I love cats. Cats are very cute. Is the sentence correct? Cats are very good? No. Instead of using cats, what you used? What? They. So they is a pronoun. You can use they. Why you used they here? Because there are more than one cats. You can use they. If there is only one cat, I love cat. Without yes, it is singular. If the cat is in singular, what word you will use here? It. Be- More than one cat, they. Very good. Okay, now next. See, I will give you naming words here. Dog, sister, bag, mother, rose, father, desk, birds, friends, ice cream, teacher, play park, brother, school. Like this, I will give you naming words. You pick any one naming word. How many questions you have here? Two questions it seems, right? Question, answer. So you should ask two questions to your parents or to your brother or sister from this naming word. So they will say whether they like the word, they like the thing, they like the person. If they say, if whatever they say, you have to write their answer in your studio. See, you have to ask the question, right? That question you have to write in right here. The answers given by them you have to write here in the answer dash. Understand? Hope you all understand. Okay, dears. I just recalled what I taught you today. See here what I taught you actually. Yes, today I taught you how to do activity 2.7 and how to describe pictures and how to create sentence. Then 2.8 activity. Then I started to teach you pronoun. Hope you all understand the concept of pronoun. Okay, pronoun is nothing but instead of using noun, you can use pronoun. So I taught you common pronouns I, you, he, she, it, you, they, we. Then I told you explanation of pronoun. So pronoun is nothing but takes the place of noun. Very good. Then I told you how to use pronoun. Then singular and plural pronouns I taught you with examples. Then in sentences we saw how to use pronouns. Then I gave you one list of naming words. Then what last? You have to do this activity by your own. You have to ask questions from the given naming words. Do you like dog? Do you like mother? Do you like your father? Do you like ice cream? Like that, you have to ask questions to your to your brother or sister or your parents. They will give you one answer. That answer you have to write here. Or else you can give answer by yourself. Ask question and give answer for that. So it will be better to understand what is meant by pronoun. The concept of pronoun. Okay dears. Okay, till this we will stop our class. Tomorrow we will continue with 2.E activity. Okay. Be ready with your companion. See you tomorrow. Thank you, students.